First job of the day, we have some broken trees all around. Gonna trim them up and get it looking good. This is job number 2. We have some broken branches in this tree. Beautiful day. This is job 3. There were a few broken branches on this tree. Some I already took off. This is job number 4. More broken branches everywhere. So the customers gave me the sandwich. Literally tastes so good. We're almost finished up here at 4th job. Oh, sandwich fell. I'll still eat that. But thing's full. It's so good. It's like cheese, bread, mystery meat. I don't know. Vegan meat. Like tamales, mustard. It's hot too. It's good. It's good. Job number 5. A lot more broken branches all around.